we go outside? Do you want to go outside?
Outside.
Good boy. You can go outside.
Meet Loki. He's a 9-year-old Bengal who rules the house and loves to talk. Two months ago, we introduced Loki to the Fluent Pet speech buttons. The first word we taught him was the outside button, a good place to start since asking to go outside was one of the main reasons he would meow.
Outside.
Good boy.
Outside.
Yes, you can go outside. Good boy.
After a week on the windowsill, Loki was using it consistently, so we decided to try move it back into the Fluent Pet tile. I had hoped to move the button slowly over a few days. However, we met some significant challenges. It quickly became clear this would not be an option.
Outside. Outside.
In the meantime, to make the buttons more interesting for humans, I painted some pictures to indicate what each button was for.
Outside. Outside.
Good boy. Do you want to go outside?
We also added another word into the vocabulary. We placed the new water button by Loki's favourite sink. For now, we are just pressing the button before turning the tap on, and not expecting any action from him yet. In the end, we had to just put the outside button back into the tile and went about retraining Loki to use it.
Good boy. Yes, outside.
At first, I would accept pawing at the button without pressing it. I would press the button for Loki when he did so.
Touch.
Outside.
Good boy. Touch.
Outside.
Good boy.
We noticed Loki would not attempt to press the button if there wasn't someone waiting by it for him. On one hand, this felt like a step backwards from when the button was on the windowsill. On the other hand, when we first put the button in the tile, when we received it 2 months ago, Loki would completely ignore it, even when the touch command was used. So some progress had been made.
Good boy. Outside.
Little by little, Loki became more confident in pawing at the button. Once I felt he was doing it consistently, I changed the rules. Instead of pressing the button for him, he needed to press it all the way by himself before he could go outside. Extreme frustration ensued.
Do you want to go outside?
Outside.
Good boy. Yes, outside.
To avoid confusion, we have not taught Loki yes and no yet. Instead, we remove the button during times when Loki is not allowed to go outside. To add to the complications, we are moving country in a few weeks and getting Loki prepared for the big move. The buttons will come with, and hopefully Loki doesn't forget his words on the way.